In this video, we will see how to enable Base44 agents in your apps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can use the first link in description to open Base44 and get free credits by creating a brand new account. Now the first thing you should know is Base44 agents and super agents are two different things. I have already made a video about super agents. You can check it out later. With Base44 agents, you can talk to your app, get answers, trigger actions, and access your data through chat. Agents work inside your app and messaging platforms while remembering context and connecting to external tools. Instead of clicking through menus and workflows, you can simply chat with an agent that understands your app, takes actions, and gets things done instantly. To enable agents, log into your Base44 account and click on your profile in the bottom left corner. Click on Account Settings. Here, you'll find Default Agents. Enable agents for new apps by default. When enabled, new apps will automatically have agents enabled, allowing them to run autonomous tasks and use tools. I have already enabled it. Just click here and save the changes. If you want to know about some amazing features that Base44 super agents have, you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.